In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix audio and remove background noise in CapCut PC. If your video has distracting background hiss, fan hum, static, or voice levels that sound uneven from one moment to the next, don't worry. CapCut PC has a very simple built-in way to clean that up, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the easiest method to make your audio sound clearer and more balanced without leaving CapCut. To begin, place your clip onto an open track in the timeline. Once it's there, click directly on the clip one time so it becomes highlighted. This step is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to adjust. If the clip is not selected first, the audio controls may not apply to the correct track, so just make sure it's clearly highlighted before moving on. Next, let's remove the background noise. Move your cursor to the top right panel and click on the Audio tab. Stay under the Basic section, then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list until you find Noise Reduction. Once you see it, click the checkbox toggle next to it. As soon as you enable this setting, CapCut will automatically start filtering out common unwanted sounds like low humming, fan noise, and static hiss. This is one of the quickest ways to improve the overall clarity of spoken audio, especially if your recording environment wasn't perfectly quiet. After that, it's time to balance and boost the voice levels so your speech is easier to hear. In that same audio panel, scroll back up toward the top and check the box for loudness normalization. This feature helps raise quieter speech to a more standard listening level while helping prevent the audio from peaking or sounding distorted. It's especially useful if parts of your recording sound softer than others, because it gives your voice a more even and professional result. Right above that, you'll also see the volume slider. Use that to fine-tune the overall level of your clip. If your voice still feels a little too soft, raise it slightly. If it sounds too strong, pull it back a bit. The goal is to make sure your speech comes through clean, clear, and comfortable to listen to. And that's it. Once you've enabled noise reduction, turned on loudness normalization, and adjusted the volume if needed, your audio should already sound much cleaner and more polished inside CapCut PC. You're all set. Done.